Layoff notices will soon be in the mail for nearly 900 state workers.
The news, hundreds of state workers will start to be laid off in waves.
According to past estimates, up to 10,000 jobs.
We are talking about thousands of layoffs.
The mayor is playing hardball by putting more jobs on the chopping block.
My name is LaShawn Wiggers. I'm from Southern California. I was a child care director for the city of Los Angeles for about 5 years of a facility which had 50 preschoolers and 50 school-age children. I guess it was about February. All child care was brought into a meeting to let us know that there were possibly going to be layoffs. Within the city, there's 26 state licensed child care centers. What they did was they closed all but 2. So 24 sites are now closed. The fact that they're not going to be a part of my life every day, and the fact that I'm not going to have contact, and to make sure that they're safe every day, that's my main concern, because I know some of the situation of the parents. They're not going to be able to afford some of the child care centers that are out there. So for me, that's tough.
Thousands of more LA City workers could soon face layoffs.
We're talking about librarians, child care workers.
We're teaching the children of the future, and for us to have lost our jobs or for us to have been laid off, it's like what we do is not important. Only banks or only executives or only people who are higher up who kind of look down on us, they're the ones who still get to keep their jobs.
My name is Joe Wisnowski. I live in Pickernet, Ohio. I'm an equipment operator for Columbus Airport. I'm a father of 2 children, a son in college and a sophomore in high school. When this all started, we went into wage freezes and no raises. Last year, 2009, we've had 17 people laid off. I fear that my job is under attack every day based on the economy, and the politicians are after public employees and our services that we have. I think I would have a great concern if I would be laid off from public employment. Financially, it would be a great burden on trying to provide for my son's college.